Hi, welcome. My name is Rose, and in this video, I'm gonna take you on a little adventure. As you may know, I live quite close to the beach, but since I had an accident a little while ago, I didn't really go to the dunes anymore. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link the video to explaining my accident in the card up there, but also in the description below. And while you're there, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. One of my plans is to go outside a little bit more, and this video is exactly what I needed to see how cool it is, how much fun it is. It inspires me to do so more often, and I hope it inspires you as well. And stick around to the end for some fun bloopers. Let's stop talking and let's just get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you enjoy videos like this or if there's something else that you prefer, let me know. And if you want to see another dune adventure with a drone that we did a while ago, check it out in the card as well. Oh, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It really helps me to keep creating content for you guys, whether it's yoga or plants or anything in between. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget the thumbs up. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.